I'm the marketing coordinator for the Sensible Nutrition program, and this is Gemma. And today we are going to show you how to make homemade granola using apricots and a few other ingredients. Apricots are our food of the month for December. So today our granola is going to use old-fashioned oats, diced apricots that were dried. The recipe usually calls for sunflower seeds, which we didn't have, but we had some cashews, so we're going to use cashews, some oil, some honey, and some vanilla. All right, let's get started.